everyone, welcome to Spardhaguru. I'm your advanced Excel trainer. Today we are going to see how to create borders in shortcut way. See, to create a border, select this chart, Control Shift 7. Select the chart, then Control Shift 7. Now, how to remove the borders? Again, just select the chart, Control Shift minus. Now cancel, remove. See, one more method. You want to create the border for all the cells. So how to create it in shortcut way? Just select the chart, Alt H B A, Alt H B A. To remove the borders, simple. To remove the all borders, Control Shift minus. To remove the all borders, Control Shift minus. So I'll tell you once again. Select the chart, Alt H B A to create the borders for all the cells. To remove the borders from all the cells, Control Shift minus, it will remove. Okay, so I need to create the border. Once again, I just create it. Then Alt H B A. Then next, see here there are four product code, quantity, and price. So I want to multiple the quantity with price. So equals, select the quantity and into price. See the totals. Then you can drop now. So it will add it for all the products. Now you want to make the total product. You want to add total. For the total, there are four ways. The one is equals sum, open bracket, select all the values, close parenthesis, enter. You'll get the value. Or one more method, select the values up to where you want the total answer. Then go to home. Here you can see editing. In the editing, you just click on the sigma, you'll get total value. Or one more easiest shortcut way to add, simple. See, I just place the cursor where you want, then Alt equal simple. Just once again, I will repeat. So we want to Alt equal again enter. So just get the answer. I hope you enjoy the video. So we'll come back again with a new concept. Thank you.